Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today's video is about how to get a disabled Instagram account back. But before moving forward, first make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And now let's begin. Well, sometimes your Instagram account gets disabled if you have violated any rule, and if the violation is severe, they might disable your Instagram account permanently and there will be no way to get your disabled account back. But if the violation is not that severe or someone has hacked your account, then the only way you can get your disabled Instagram account back is explained in this video. First, open your Chrome and now in the search bar type recover Instagram account. Now scroll down and tap on this link of disabled Instagram account. This is Instagram Help Center and you don't need to log into your account to open this page. In the last paragraph, it says that if someone gained access to your account or you're unable to log into your account, then visit this page. Tap this link. Now select the option that you want. Tap on next. Tap on next. And then submit your username, phone number or email. And then at the end, you will be able to submit your appeal to get your disabled Instagram account back. So everyone, this is how it is done. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.